These are our custom Qiewa scooters. We just decked them out a little bit. These are awesome scooters. You can go in the settings and increase the speed. These two came set at 60% basically, so we upped them to 100. And just change them up a little bit after the deck got worn a little bit. Went with this graffiti sticker type look. Put some yellow transparent tape over the white LEDs. I guess the colored LEDs were the older version. The newer ones are just white. That's what I'm told from the support guy. Tacked on some taillights with turn signals. This was my son's. Tape's falling off a little bit there. Anyway, we've gone off-roading on quite a bit. Just went off a trail in Upper Arizona last weekend over Labor Day. That weekend we rode about 26 miles total without recharging. Still had about half the battery left. So get plenty of range on these things. Got some other lights down here. Back. Additional headlight. These lights are good, but they point pretty far down the road, so we have these additional ones to point up closer to where you're driving. Anyway, that's about it. Added these mirrors. So also have flashing lights on them. The mirrors are way helpful. Don't need to turn around and look behind you now to see if anyone's coming. Cars, that is. Loosened up the suspension as much as we could. These things have a tight suspension to begin with, but you can adjust these out towards the end more, which loosens the spring and gives you a little more play. The drawback of that is when you're on it, if you're heavier, you have less clearance, ground clearance. The other option is to tighten it, which makes the spring tighter, gives you higher clearance when you're driving, but you don't have as much play in the suspension. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks.